So this is my review of the V-Twin. Here's the part number. The V-Twin 41mm fork assembly by V-Twin Manufacturing. One of the biggest problems right there. So, my honest opinion, this thing's a pile of crap. This is well, if you're following anything I'm doing, this is a 2017 FLS Slim. The first thing we ran into is whatever these stupid things are. This one was touching the neck, and I had to Dremel it back so it would even clear and quit binding. After that, let's see, I went to trying to put, so I went to put their top triple clamp tree in, and they chrome the inside of these. So you have to clean up all the chrome because the top of the fork tube right there doesn't even fit in it. They sent me a blemish set, and I thought that was just going to be low blemishes, but these are just chewed up really bad. And that's not even the worst of it. So once you spend all your time grinding and cleaning up that crap, and you slide the fork tubes in, you could see a visual difference, almost 1/4 of an inch, between the height where they were sitting, between the two tubes. They were cocked at an angle. And then the last straw for me was trying to put the axle in. It only goes in that far. It is locked up right now. Ooh, stop it. Right now, I can't even get the axle out of it. And that's where it's at. So you would have to open up that the opening for the axle to slide into. I don't know if you can see it well on the camera here, but it even looks like the caliper mounts are pitched in. That you would have to grind as well. I bought this kit from JP Cycles. In the process of getting it returned. Hopefully they do return it, because this thing's a pile of shit. You don't even know how bad it is until you're in the process of building it. But yeah, I can't imagine. And even when we had this, both the triple clamps set up on there, you could see a difference in the pitch. The difference between the upper and the lower was obvious and visual, that the clamps just aren't formed right. I don't know if the camera will show it, but you can see it actually right there. This end is pitched up a little bit. Anyway, in the process of returning that, and I would highly, TED Cycle it says, I would highly avoid this this fork kit. It looks good for the price, in which you're supposed to be able to get everything there, but yeah, it's not worth the time that you're going to lose. So now I'm looking into just getting a lower triple clamp, reusing my upper, and just get new fork tubes and just go that way. I think it's going to be less headache. Anyway, and I think a few of the it's a common kit that a lot of the manufacturers are selling, all for around the same price, around $600. Anyway, I'd avoid it. I won't be They asked me if I wanted a replacement. I said no. The fitment issues are going to relate into drivability issues, I think. And I don't want to experience that. So we'll just stick with Harley. All right. I'll keep you posted.